Something inside me is changing, not loudly, not dramatically, quietly, like a season shifting beneath the surface. And for the first time in a long time, I don't think I want to become more. I think I want to return. Return to stillness. Return to breathe. Return to simplicity. Return to the parts of myself that existed before survival became my entire personality. Because somewhere along the way, many of us forgot who we were. Not because we were weak, because the world became loud, too fast, too artificial. And slowly, without even realizing it, people drifted away from themselves, away from nature, away from presence, away from wonder, away from silence, away from the body, away from each other. Everything became productivity, optimization, performance, consumption, attention, algorithms shaping identity, notifications interrupting thought, screens replacing sunsets. And after enough years of that, the soul begins to ache for something real again. Not luxury, not status, not more stimulation, realness, a deep breath, morning light through trees, laughter that isn't forced, conversations without performance, moments that are fully alive. Because maybe healing was never about becoming perfect. Maybe healing is remembering the version of yourself that existed before fear took over, before anxiety became normal, before exhaustion became a lifestyle, before your nervous system forgot how to rest. I think many people are beginning to realize they do not actually miss the chaos, they miss themselves. The child that could sit in the grass for hours, the version of them that created things without needing validation, the version that felt wonder, curiosity, presence, life. And maybe this strange emptiness people feel lately is not punishment. Maybe it's the soul pulling away from what no longer resonates. Maybe the old noise is losing its grip. Because once you truly taste peace, the chaos becomes difficult to tolerate again. The endless scrolling, the fake urgency, the pressure to constantly react, to constantly consume, to constantly become someone. It becomes exhausting. And slowly, a different desire begins to emerge. The desire to slow down, to reconnect, to breathe deeper, to live softer, to stop abandoning yourself just to survive systems that never truly nourished you. And no, returning does not mean going backward. It means recovering what was always underneath the conditioning. Your presence, your intuition, your humanity, your aliveness. Maybe the real revolution happening right now is people remembering they are not machines, they are living beings, and living beings need silence, sunlight, touch, nature, rest, music, truth, connection, meaning, not constant stimulation, not non-stop pressure, not infinite comparison. And maybe that's why so many souls feel emotional lately, because deep down they're beginning to sense themselves again. The real self, the buried self, the exhausted self asking to finally come home. And maybe that's what healing actually is. Not fixing yourself, not becoming superior, not transcending humanity, but fully returning to it. Feeling again, crying again, laughing again, creating again, being present again, living again. I think many people spend years trying to escape themselves, when what they truly wanted was to finally feel safe enough to return. And maybe that return begins with very small things. A slower morning, a deeper breath, turning the phone off, watching the sky, listening to music that touches the soul, letting silence exist without rushing to fill it. Maybe transformation is not always explosive. Maybe sometimes it's gentle, like thawing, like waking up slowly after a very long sleep. And maybe you are not broken for feeling differently. Maybe your soul is simply pulling you back toward what is real, back toward what matters, back toward yourself. So, if you felt emotional, slower, more sensitive, more reflective, more disconnected from the old world, maybe something beautiful is happening underneath it all. Maybe you are not disappearing. Maybe you are returning.